friends, look at these milkshakes. We have yellow, pink, and blue. What could be inside? Let's take a look. Here we have the yellow cup. Let's open it. Wow, look at all these goodies. We've got a tub of Play-Doh. It looks like it has sprinkles. Big Bird, who's also yellow. And I see a banana. Bananas are yellow. Ooh, what's this fun tool? We'll use this later. Okay, let's close this up for now. Ooh, I see something pink and purple. Let's take a look. Another Play-Doh tub, it's pink. Here's Abby Cadabby, she's pink and purple. Pink spoon, what's that for? And another tool, it has stars, wow. Let's close the pink cup and see what's next. Oh, it's the blue cup. Okay, let's open this one. Ooh, I think I know who this is. First of all, we have another Play-Doh tub. It's blue. And Cookie Monster, he's eating a cookie. It looks delicious. And here's an orange spoon. And let's see, another tool. It's got a moon, a circle, and stars. Okay, so let's close this last one. And let's get started. We're going to make some ice cream. We can't forget the cups. We have a green cup, a blue ball, and let's see, one more thing. Oh, it's a waffle cone. That's cute. Wow, look at this. We have an orange Play-Doh and a green Play-Doh. It's going to be our ice cream. I have already got the banana split going. We've got orange ice cream, the banana, and vanilla ice cream with sprinkles. It looks delicious. We need to add one more thing. Let's see, what can we add? Look at what I got. It's the green ice cream, which must be lime. And what shape are we getting here? Let's take a look. Ooh, I think it's a star. Okay, let's get all this Play-Doh off. And let's take it out. Look at the star. It's so perfect. Let's put in our ice cream. It looks good here. I really like that, but I think we need one more thing. Okay, look at this. There's a little bear over here. Let's take the blue Play-Doh. Blue is awesome. It's just like Cookie Monster. Wow, look at these sprinkles inside. Let's just take a little bit, and we're going to make a little bear. Okay, here it is. We're going to put it right in the mold, press it down, and then take out all the extra Play-Doh that you have on the side, all around. And then sometimes it's a little hard to take out, but let's see, we can do it. Here it is. Here's the bear. It's a blue bear. Oh, that's so cute. What do you think? Hey, Cookie Monster, you want some ice cream?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay, I got Cookie Monster a spoon, and now he's ready to eat his banana split. Enjoy! Whoa, look, this is the blue ice cream we had before. I wonder what flavor this is. Okay, we are going to scoop it out, and we're going to put in a waffle cone. This is a little hard, but okay, we got it. Ooh, it really looks like ice cream. Maybe blueberry? Blueberry is really good. Okay, let's get one more scoop. Okay, this should be perfect. Okay, let's just mold it a little bit so it looks more round. This is a lot of fun. Okay, this should be good. Let's put it right on the cone. This is our second scoop. All right, I think we got it. That looks amazing. I would love to eat this, but you can't. It's Play-Doh. Anyway, let's add something else. I have this little mold here. This will be really good. Okay, let's see. What should we do? All right, I have a little bit of the orange Play-Doh, and I'm putting it here in the heart. Okay, let's see how this works. So we gotta get everything out. This one's a little tough, but that's okay. I need like a tool. Anyway, let's get the heart. Ooh, we got it. Okay, oh, it's so cute. Let's put it right here. And does it need something else? Maybe whipped cream? Let's use the white Play-Doh to do that. We've got all these little tools. I'm going to use this one to make the whipped cream. Look at this. Oh, it's perfect. All right, that looks good. All right, we've got our scooper. We've got pink Play-Doh. Let's open it up. Oh, it's beautiful. We're going to put a scoop of pink Play-Doh. Maybe this is strawberry? What do you think? All right, this is cool. All right, that goes inside our green cup. Okay, It doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay. Let's get another scoop. Okay. Is that enough? Yeah, okay, this should be all right. Hey, do you have a favorite ice cream flavor? That's a good one. I really like mint chocolate chip. It's so good. Well, our ice cream scooper broke. I guess I'm going to have to fix this. Okay, looks good. Let's close this up. And what can we add to the top here? How about another scoop of ice cream? This one's yellow. It's gotta be lemon. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let's scoop out another scoop of ice cream. Here it is. This one's big. Okay, that's fine. Let's put it right on top. Ah, looks so good. This looks like real ice cream. Delicious. Okay, let's get another scoop of ice cream. Okay, a little smaller, but that's okay. Let's get some more. It's kind of hard to get out. All right. Keep going. It doesn't want to come out. All right. Okay, I think I got it now. Let's just put it all, pat it down. Okay, now, how do we... It's not opening. Okay, we're having technical difficulties. Ooh, but it looks so perfect, right? Like a perfect scoop of ice cream. Let's see if I can get it off of here. Okay. It's just perfect. Wow. What can we add to the top? Sprinkles? Maybe. Whoa, look at that. They're glitter sprinkles. Hey, Abby, do you want to try some? Yeah, of course.